Okay, so today it's a quick and easy, simple recipe that we actually make on our own. I We developed this long ago, and we've been using it because we live out in the boon. I'm going to show you what we do and how we do it. Now, before I go into the video, you need really something really simple. If you are planning to go for a trip or something and you want to prolong, you have to use distilled water. Okay. Then you need a little jar like this. You're gonna need soap, dish soap, liquid dish soap, and ammonia. That is our secret ingredients, and it's a 1/3 formula. So that means it's 66% of ammonia, 33% of distilled water, and maybe a 1 teaspoon of soap. Okay, because I'm making a 100 milliliter. Sorry, blah blah blah. So all you need now, I got one right here. That's 1/3 of a cup. So now I'm going to put, because I'm making extra, I kind of ran out. Okay. Okay. Now what you need to do, test this formula out first, okay? So that way you're not allergic to ammonia or whatever. In rare cases, people are allergic to it. Okay. So now I got ammonia in my water, and it is strong. Just to remind you, you just use just a little bit, and I'll show you how to. Sorry if I'm in the camera. I'm just gonna put a little bit extra soap in there, okay? Okay, and that's it. Now you get your container and you put that in there. Now before I go, I'm gonna show you how to actually use this. Okay? Now pretend I got a mosquito bite right here. Let's say right there. Okay? When a mosquito bite, it'll leave its saliva in there. There's some saliva in there. And what happened is your body doesn't like it. So it's trying to push it out and it's trying to expel it. A word. So if you have to find a bump, okay? Now this is for severe. Those are for severe ones. If there's a lot of them, you have no choice but to do second step. So the first step, the one that really itch, you would have to find it and squeeze it until you see a little pus, until white stuff come out. After that, you just put this on top of that. Okay? And it's sort of like washing it. You see it? So it's like a solution, a washing solution. And let that dry. Okay? That's it. Now let's say if you got a lot of bites and you don't know where things are, try it without. Just bunch of them in here. And just rub it back and forth like this so it can open. Okay? That's the whole point of us doing this, is to open up so some of the ammonia would go into and kill the bacteria in it. Not the bacteria, but the saliva, to neutralize the saliva. And that's it. That's the easiest way. But remember, if you can find that thing, if you can find where they put the needle in, you squeeze it out until you see a little pus. You will see a little pus, because that's what your that's the body armor actually trying to defend itself. Okay? So that's all you really need. And then squeeze it out if you can. Then after that, take a little you know, take one of these and just dip on top of it and let it dry. And pat it just a little bit. Disturb that area. Okay, let's say that's the area. You disturb a little bit. And then this, you're going to feel a little stingy because the ammonia is what's going to kill the stop the itch, because it neutralizes the bacteria, the saliva. Okay, so that's about it, and I will leave the formula in the description for you, just to make it. Now for sensitive people, before I go, for sensitive people, try to put less ammonia in. Okay, but as far as the way I like it, one more time, 33%. So 33% of water, 66% ammonia, and 1 to 2 teaspoons, and that would make 1 cup. Okay? Other than that, that's about it on the video, and I will see you in the next video. Okay?